Hi, welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time seeing my face, hi, my name is Jamara. Currently I'm 20 and my life's a mess. But y'all know I'm back at it again with another one, another story time. Y'all see when I come here, I got my pen, I got my book. My book is currently underneath the little setup thing. So I'm not even worried about it. But let's get into the video. Go grab your popcorn, go grab what you need to grab, and come back.
Because my contact was fucked up. He wasn't trying to let me drive. So you said, fuck it, I'ma drive. We got down there. Well, let me stop cussing. We got down there. We was on 39th and West. And this Ford ended up popping up at this scene, crashing into us. Made us do a whole fishtail game.
Mm-hmm.
And you cried a lot. Did not want to shut up. After I told you shut the fuck up, right?
Okay, well, thank you for your input, because that's all. Okay, I'm gonna set the scene for y'all. So, this is back, like, 3 years ago when I was 17. Mind y'all, I was driving, I didn't have no license. Yeah. Anyways, but that's besides the point. Okay, so, I was driving, it was a Nissan, my core. Oh my god, I missed that core. But, okay. Me and my mom was like, we basically like both used the car. I used the car for DoorDash and stuff like that. I did not get hit doing DoorDashes. When I got, oh my god, I'm just moving too fast. Let's set the scene. Okay, so the only reason why I'm driving this day is because my ex-boyfriend at the time, he wore glass contacts and he needed like eye drops for his contacts. So we needed to go back to his house to get the Johns, right? Mind you, normally he used to always drive. He couldn't drive because his eye was messed up. See? So I asked to use the car, and yeah, we went, and mind you, I think he lived like less than 20 minutes away. So I drove down there. I was literally on the same street, like literally the street that he lives on. I look both ways. I do see a car. It's all the way in the back. I see that they have a stop sign. I'm like, everything's cool. Like, okay, whatever. Just any normal, regular, smegular day. No. Like, I think I got a picture. If I do have a picture, I'll insert it here of what, like, got hit. But I really don't know. Like, it was so scary. I'm not even gonna lie. So, like, as soon as we're going like this, he's going fast as fuck. He hits the back of the tire thing. Boom. Like, I'm like, we spun like a good 2-3 times. He was going so fucking fast. Mind y'all, his bumper was messed up, but it wasn't like, it was hanging off, but the bumper was still the fuck on. Okay. Then he fucking hit me. Like, yeah. But we're gonna get into that. So he tries to leave or something. Like, he looked like he gonna go pull off. My boyfriend was like, yo, what are you doing? Blah, blah, blah. I'm like, oh my fucking god. Like, I gotta call my mom and tell her I just got in a car accident. And I'm sitting there crying. Like, I'm like, damn, like, mind y'all, we just had got this Nissan Altima. I think we had that joint for like 4 weeks maybe. I don't even know. All I know is a bitch was scared, and I basically stood in the car the whole time because I have real bad anxiety. I was not going to be no good, and then I was just like, oh my god, like, I just got in a car accident. Like, no, like, and I was sitting there just crying. My mom, okay, so I didn't call the police. The guy called the police, right? Mind you, I don't have my license. My mom literally got there before the cops got there. Y'all, this where the story takes a turn. So, the cops is taking forever to get there. Like, my mom is like, we're not waiting for him. She already told the dude, like, yeah, like, she'll pay him herself, like, blah, blah, blah. But my mom didn't know at the time because I was just in a car crying, like, She didn't know that he hit me. And then, like, because I'm going to tell y'all, like, at the end, no, I got to go in order. Hold up. My mom got me this cute little lip oil. It's so cute, y'all. Anyways, basically, my mom tried to leave with the car. The back tire was fucked up, so she only wanted to get in a block away. You keeping with me? You keeping with me? Okay, so by the time the cop got there, he already circled the area of where we was at, where the accident was at, before he even came out there. So, yeah, so then by the time when the police officer got to us, child, I think the man went first. And okay, so when my mom, ooh, why is you falling? When my mom got there and was talking to the guy that had hit me, she told the guy that she was driving. She was like, just say I was driving, like, blah, 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 explain a little situation. He was like, whatever. Also, I think she only had liability at the time or something. I'm not really sure about on that. But the cop got there. He interviewed the other guy first. Then interviewed us. He was like, the guy tried to throw you under the bus, blah, blah, blah. But what he don't know is when he seen the tire marks, he said the guy never put his brakes on. Like, he must have been distracted. He never stopped, like, before he hit us. And he was like, he should have had enough time. If he was going the speed limit, he should have had enough time to honk his horn, cuss you out, and go around. So I was like, most definitely, especially he didn't stop at the stop sign. Yeah, so he was trying to say, like, I didn't stop at the stop sign, and that's why I wanted to get hit. But even if that were the fucking case, you would see me go. It would have been a head-on-head collision like this. He hit me in the back, like, on the back and the passenger side. So, like, be so for real. Be so for real with yourself, sir. So, like, be so fucking for real. So, when all this stuff happened, mind you, we had to call insurance companies at this time. This man ain't have no insurance, y'all. So, it wasn't even, he was trying to say that we hit him so our insurance could pay, but my mom didn't have full coverage. She only had liability. I honestly don't know what that means. I think I know what it means, but I'm not fully sure, and I don't, yeah. But yeah, it was really scary. And I think, like, I had a full-blown panic attack. That's why I couldn't tell my mom, like, no, he was supposed to, like, and then my boyfriend at that time, he had to go to his house to get the contact. So when we were over there, when we had pulled, my mom had tried to drive the car off. We was up the block. He was at his house trying to fix his contacts and, doing his little due diligence at his house. Why did this phone keep falling? I feel like it don't like me. But yeah. I do have other story times. Well, I think that's about it. Like, I'm trying to think if I forgot anything. And my mom wanted to get I think they both wanted to get a ticket or something. And I do have a video from that day because it was a black cop, so yeah. But I do have a video when the cop was playing with the little boy's scooter, because my mom's boyfriend at the time was the one who came and drove to get us, because obviously I had the car. So it literally took the cops, like, I'm gonna say a good almost 2 hours to get there. Like, nobody was hurt, so we didn't need no ambulances or anything. And it took them a good minute to get there. Like, we was already at the scene of the accident. I had to call my mom. It took my mom 30 minutes to get there. Then we was waiting for a whole nother 30, 40 minutes. And then that's when she tried to leave. And then that was like 20 minutes. And then, like, we was at the other location for like almost 30 minutes. And then that's when the cop showed up. And then the cop had to leave because me and didn't have no ink paper. Yeah, that's what I remember. Another cop had to come and give him ink paper. So then we was sitting there for like ever, like, y'all, like, this was like an all-day event. Car accidents, I would not recommend. 0 out of 0. Never try again. let me stop. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back at it with another story time. I don't know what other story time, but y'all let me the fuck know which story time y'all want. Or like, I don't know. I was gonna redo the one where I pepper spray my ex. That might be the next one. I know it's gonna be a vlog after this though. I definitely know it's gonna be a vlog after this one.